Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix PrizePicks withdrawal failed. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, I'll explain why your withdrawal failed. As you can see, I'm on the PrizePicks website and it is clearly mentioned here that PrizePicks follows a playthrough requirement. If you don't know about it, I'll tell you how it works. For example, if your initial deposit is $25, then you must play through $25 worth of entries before withdrawing. Basically, you must play through the initial deposit you made in order to withdraw the final withdrawal. If that's not the case, then you can go to the customer support section on the PrizePicks website and tell them to fix this problem you are facing. And that's how you can fix PrizePicks withdrawal failed. Hope you like the video. Thanks.